for a black woman to wear her natural hair, however that manifests itself,
Yes.
to me is a declaration of power and of pride and of love and of identity.
Hey friends, so do you have hair like mine, fussy natural hair, and have you been struggling with wash day? Don't worry, I've been there. So I'll be sharing my secrets to making it easy and leaving your hair healthy, hydrated, moisturized, and happy. So I just took down braids, all back, cornrows to be specific. I had it on for almost 4 weeks. My hair is very dirty and dry right now. Not looking good. Let's change that. So I will be using products from Sage Naturals. I got their sulfate-free shampoo, their deep conditioning mask, almond leave-in conditioner, growth serum, and a silk bonnet. So let's get started. The first step is shampooing. I started by wetting my hair in lukewarm water before applying shampoo. This shampoo actually smells very nice. I'm in love. I also like that I did not have to use so much shampoo to get my hair this foamy. I use sulfate-free shampoo because it cleanses my scalp and hair thoroughly. It also removes build-ups without stripping my hair of its natural oils. I'm applying the shampoo to my scalp and massaging gently using my fingertips. This helps to lift the dirt and build-up. I then go ahead to rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water again, ensuring all shampoo is removed to prevent build-up. Because my hair didn't feel clean enough, I shampooed twice, basically went through the same process again. After rinsing out the shampoo thoroughly and drying my hair, I first divided my hair in 4 sessions to ensure even application of the deep conditioner and minimize pain. I have a very sensitive scalp. I got to say, this deep conditioning mask has a pleasant smell as well, and it has a creamy consistency. Deep conditioning is very important because it penetrates the hair shafts to provide intense moisture and repair damage. I'd advise to opt for deep conditioners specifically designed for natural hair, focusing on moisture, hydration, and strength. So I generously applied it to each section, making sure to coat every strand from root to tip. Do not forget to pay attention to the ends of your hair as they are often the most damaged. I then covered my hair with 2 nylon bags. You can use shower cap if you have. This helps to trap heat, allowing the conditioner to penetrate deeply into the hair shaft. So I left it on for 1 hour. I then went ahead to rinse out the conditioner with cold water. Cold water helps to close the hair cuticles, locking in the moisture and nutrients from the deep conditioner. You can see now that my hair and scalp looking very clean, shiny already and ready to be moisturized. I love to see this. So now we are moving on to the third step. I'll then follow up with moisturizing my hair using a leave-in conditioner. Moisturizing natural hair is crucial for maintaining its health, preventing breakage, and promoting growth. It works well when your hair is free of buildup. That is why you have to rinse your hair well, allowing the product to penetrate effectively. I divided my hair into small sections. This ensures that every part of my hair receives the necessary moisture. It's important to use leave-in conditioner designed for natural hair as well. This helps to provide an initial layer of moisture and it makes detangling easier. I applied it generously to each section, ensuring that I coat every strand. I did not spray water at this point because my hair was still damp, but if you feel your hair is getting dry at this point, it will be good to spray some water to help hydrate your hair effectively, because water is the best moisturizer for our natural hair. So I used my fingers to detangle each section, then went in with a wide tooth comb. This helps to distribute the product evenly throughout my hair. And to lock in the moisture, I used an oil. This one is a growth serum, but popular choices include coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, or shea butter to seal in everything. So you can use any of this oil, any oil of your choice. I apply the oil to each section as well, focusing on the ends of my hair, which are the most prone to dryness and breakage. You can also apply it on your real hair as well. It helps. I then proceed to style my hair as usual. Protective styles like twists, braids, or buns can help to maintain moisture for a long period and minimize manipulation. I personally prefer twist most times as a low manipulation style. This will help protect my hair from breakage and retain length. So to protect my hair at night or in general, I use a silk bonnet or silk scarf to reduce friction and to prevent moisture loss while I lay down or to sleep. So this is it. This is the end of the video. I hope this was very helpful. Do leave a comment as to your favorite step during your wash day and what is the most challenging step during your wash day. See you all in my next video. Bye.